Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 10th day of Vlogmas. I can't believe we finished 10 days. So in this video, I'm going to unbox Simba Lifestyle Planner. For those of you who don't know what Simba Lifestyle is, so this is this Instagram store and brand by YouTuber Mridul Sharma and her friend Aditya Naik. If I'm really I hope this is the right name. So I have been following her for quite some time now and I love her planners. Every year I see them on Instagram and I'm like, oh, I should buy this, but I never actually do. But this year for 2022 I thought, let's just buy Simba Lifestyle Planner this year. So my brother actually gifted me this for Diwali Bhaubis. I made him gift me that, but yeah, fine, gift is a gift. So yes, let's get started. Let's unbox Simba Lifestyle Planner together. So I got this combo from their website. So it's this 2022 planner and 5-year, I think, my 5-year journey planner. So let's unbox this one first. The packaging is really good, guys. Yeah, this still is happening. I don't know kab khatam hoga ye sardi. The packaging is really good. Oh my god. And the cover is so pretty. Oh, matching. The cover is very pretty. Or isko golden again, what do we call these? Oh, why do I forget names aajkal? What are these? I'll have to. छोटी ते आपण ते डायरीला असे स्पायरल सारखे असतात, त्याला काय म्हणतात? स्पायरलच असतं का ते? What are these called?
Binders.
Binders. Really?
अख्ख्याला बाइंडर म्हणतात.
ते मला माहिती आहे ना, याला काय म्हणतात? But you get the point. So this can you please go now? Yeah, shoe.
I can't in the video, man.
This is going to be in the video.
Fine,
Fine, I'll edit it now. Go, yaar. Shh. Okay, so this is in this gold color, which looks very pretty. I think I like it. I'm not actually spiral binder ke jo bhi hai. I'm not the fan of this because it becomes really difficult to operate the planner. But the gold detailing is so cute. So it's cute. I don't know if it's gonna be user friendly, but cute pakka hai. I like the cover also. Now, so this is how the cover looks like. It also comes with a notebook. It's a very cute notebook, pocket size. Plant your notes here. Or blank pages ki ye notebook hai. Very nice. And also 2 post-it notes. So I really use post-it notes, so I'm really happy to have this. So let's begin. So when we open it, they have this thank you note and to the 2022 planner. It also has a pocket here for your pocket size notebook and a bookmark. That's nice. Then there is this 2022 belongs to ka page. Later they have design credits and a little note from Mridul and Aditya. Baad mein they have this page of theme of the months. So basically they have this different flower theme every month and each flower has some kind of meaning to it. और उन्होंने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक चीज़ की है उसमें, जहाँ every page, like for example this is January, it has this beautiful art piece. You can also tear this up and write a letter here and send it to somebody. Now January is for love and fascination, so for you can write letter to that person who brings love and fascination into your life. It's a very beautiful idea. Every month they have a new theme, so I'm really excited, and for a person like me who loves to write letters, I'm excited about this part the most. Later there is this cute vision board, and I'm really excited to have a vision board in my planner as well. I usually make this make a separate vision board, but I think I'll also post few things in my planner vision board as well. Then there is 2022 goals page. So they have different categories like health goals, relationship goals, career goals, personal goals, finance goals, and spiritual goals. Then they have a goal setting page. तो यहाँ like for example someday goal, what's one goal you want to achieve someday, then 5-year goal, 1-year goal, monthly goal. So I really find this one interesting. Next is not to do list. I am really excited about this one. This is so new for me. Usually we have to do list. Not to do list is like an interesting concept. So stuff that distracts me and wastes my time, stuff that stresses me out, stuff I feel obligated to do but doesn't actually need to be done, stuff that drains my energy. Very interesting. Next is current me and future me. So you can write about your current self and what you want to see yourself to be in future. So again, a very nice concept. Next is this year I will page. Then there is my wish list. Here you have 2 columns, needs and wants. So again, very nice and very interesting. Period tracker. I really like this template. All of my planners have a period tracker. I like to track my periods. तो यहाँ इन्होंने स्पॉटिंग, लाइट फ्लो, मीडियम फ्लो, हैवी फ्लो का ये भी दिया है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट दे हैव पीरियड ट्रैकर इन द प्लानर. फिर देर इज़ मंथली ओवरव्यू ऑफ जनवरी, फेब्रुवरी, मार्च, लाइक ऑल ऑफ द मंथ्स. And then we start with January. So this is their theme, or love and fascination is theme for the month. And like I said, you can like take this down and write letter to somebody. Then there is monthly goals. This is common for all the months, so this is how monthly stuff is gonna look like. So monthly goals. Then there is calendar and little section for notes, and the weekly thing. And notes. I usually like to plan it according to the week, पर इन्होंने यहाँ ऐसे like it starts on a Monday but there is this one Monday here. इसके जगह अगर इन्होंने कुछ यहाँ notes के लिए section या next month के लिए section दिया होता, that would have been great. But yeah, so I'm not very used to this, but sure, let's see how it works. Then they have expense tracker and monthly budget. I really like this thing. Then there is habit tracker and monthly check-in. So describe the month in a word, like how your month was basically. Then they also have to buy list, which is great, and a few pages for brain dump, also a very good idea. And then they start with February. February they have like there is this month of ambition and modesty. So person who brings ambition and modesty in your life, you can like write a letter to them in like through this. I'll quickly show you all the other artwork. So yes, let's go. This was for February. Now for March they have this. I think they have this on their Instagram page for somebody who symbolizes hope. Beautiful. Then for April, again a very nice art piece. Purity, Daisy. Then for May, humility. I really like this idea, you know, I can't wait to write these letters. And for June there is love and romance. July, strong bond of love. August, strength. September, faith. October, positivity. November, joy and happiness. And somehow I don't have a December ka this year. I don't know what happened. And there is also no December artwork for December. There is no artwork for December, but rest every month they have this artwork, which is so beautiful. So yes, I really like the planner. It's very beautiful. I would definitely recommend this one. Yeah, it's so cute. I can't wait to actually use this one. So I think I really like the planner and I'm really excited to actually use it. It also comes with these stickers. So these are a bunch of cute stickers. और कुछ ऐसे stickers भी है to do important notes, gratitude, big day and like such stickers. And then there are these बड़े वाले stickers. So you can't actually like put them on your planner because they'll take all the space. But she said you can put this on your laptop or on your phone. I really find it very cute. I might use them on my laptop. But I still think अगर ये थोड़े छोटे size में होते और planner like planning करते वक्त planner में अगर ये use कर सकते थे, it would have been really cute. But nevertheless, stickers are really cute and I will definitely use them on my laptop or on my phone. So yes, very cute. Now let's open our 5-year journal. Again, the packaging is really solid. So this is how the 5-year journal looks like. Again, very cute. यहाँ लिखा है for the record, my 5-year journal. I think started from 2022 itself. So ये बहुत cute है. So there are few questions, random questions that they have put here, and then you write it every year for 5 years and then record yourself. The questions are, I think, really like nice. Like the first question is, where do you want to be in 5 years? Then make a wish. What made you smile today? What event are you looking forward to? What do you feel is missing in your life? So the questions are really nice, and I think it will be interesting to like record 5 years of my life, and I'm really excited for this as well. So I'm so glad I finally bought Simba Lifestyle की चीजें, and I'm so excited to use them. So I completely forgot to mention the prices of these items, which was really stupid. So the 2022 planner is usually priced at $9.99 and 5-year journal is priced at $8.99. But because there was some, I think उनका कुछ sale चल रहा था and I bought the combo of the two, I got all of that in 1499, which is I think a great deal because planners are really expensive. बट मुझे बहुत और मैं काफ़ी सही डील इस पे मिल गए. उनका अभी भी शायद कुछ सेल चल रहा है. सो डेफिनेटली चेक इट आउट. I'll try to put everything, like all the links of this and उनकी वेबसाइट की लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. सो डेफिनेटली चेक इट आउट. उनकी बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you get the notification, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.